In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Just Player app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on this icon will lead you to a world of apps. The Google Play Store is the official app marketplace for Android. It is essential to ensure you are downloading the app from a trusted source. This is important for your device's security and helps avoid malicious software. Next, you will see a search bar at the top of the Play Store interface. Tap on this search bar and your keyboard will appear. Type in Just Video Player. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the search bar. This feature helps you quickly find the app you are looking for. Once you have entered the name, tap the search icon to initiate the search. You'll be directed to a list of apps that match your query. As you look through the results, look for the app developed by Marcel Dopita. It is crucial to check the developer's name to avoid downloading knockoff apps. The authentic Just Video Player will have this specific developer listed. This step ensures that you will get the original app with all the promised features. You can also look for the app's logo, which can help confirm you have the right one. After you find the correct app, tap on it to open its detail page. Here, you will see more information about the app, including its description, user ratings, and reviews. This information can help you understand what the app offers and how well it performs. It's always a good practice to read a few reviews to gauge other users' experiences. This can save you time and effort later if you choose the right app. Now look for the Install button on the app's detail page. It is usually a green button located prominently. Tap Install to begin the download and installation process. The app will start downloading, and you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. You will be notified once the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see a button that says Open. Tap Open to start using the app immediately. This direct launch allows you to dive right into using Just Video Player without any delay. You can explore its features and settings to customize your experience. Don't worry if you're unsure how to use the app right away. It typically has a user-friendly interface. In summary, you have learned how to download Just Video Player on your Android device. Following these steps ensures you have the official version of the app, which is crucial for optimal performance and security. Remember, always download apps from trusted sources to keep your device safe. Enjoy using Just Video Player and make the most of its features for your video playback needs.